uninvited guests threatening our ordinary daily lives. Reconnecting the broken communication. The only one solution. We are Syscall. Syscall's first customized solution. We introduce to you the F&B solution that helps the increase sales and store operations. This is a table calling solution primarily used at the restaurants and hotels. By using a call button and pager with a modern design, we provide faster service to the customers without them having to shout out to an employee. This is an example of a table calling solution applied to the restaurants and hotels. You can expect 3 benefits through Syscall products. The second customized solution from Syscall. This is a self-pickup solution primarily used at the cafes and food courts. Through a premium designed guest pager and a smart touch-type transmitter, once your order is ready for pickup, you can call the customer waiting by. This is an example of a self-pickup solution applied to various industries. You can expect 3 benefits through Syscall products. The third customized solution from Syscall, we introduced a hospital solution for the safety of patients and medical staff. This solution is primarily used at the hospitals. Using the hand switch call button, which can be held in one hand, and cord or light, patients in an emergency situation from the hospital room can press the bell to call a nurse. This is an example of a hospital solution applied to the hospitals. You can expect 3 benefits through Syscall products. The fourth customization solution from Syscall, we introduced the factory solution for the production management and worker safety. This is a solution primarily used at the factories. When machines are out of order or running out of materials, production management can be efficiently performed by utilizing the 2 or 3 call button and the display monitor. This is an example of a factory solution applied to the manufacturing industry. You can expect 3 benefits through Syscall products. Immediate response to the customer requirement. By providing the optimal customer-tailored solutions, a leader for the wireless calling industry. We are Syscall.